Hey, this is Dennis. Today we'll be reviewing Hictop Desktop 3D Printer. This is a kit. Please note that Hictop printers are only sold by HIC Technology. Open source software allows you to upgrade your printer to a dual extruder. An auto level sensor attached to the extruder will do the auto leveling by itself. It's very easy to do the calibration. It measures and adjusts the distance between the sprint nozzle and the hotbed. Manual adjustment is not required, making the first layers. Hictop will assemble the control board with wiring before shipment. The wires are already connected to the control board. Every cable will attach with a mark, making this very easy to connect each cable. For more 3D printing reviews from Dennis, please subscribe to this channel and/or sign up for our newsletter. The links are in the description box below. Once again, thanks for joining us and have a great day.